Good morning students, how are you? Once again welcome on online classes. Today we will discuss class 9th maths of lecture 11th. In today lecture we will discuss that how we will find out the volume of cylinder or how we will find out the volume of the hollow cylinder. In previous lecture we already discussed that how we will find out the students volume of cube and cuboid. प्रीवियस लेक्चर में क्या डिस्कस किया था अपन लोगों ने हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब एंड क्यूबॉइड. सो इन टुडे लेक्चर वी विल डिस्कस दैट हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर एंड हॉलो सिलेंडर. सो फर्स्ट वन इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर. So volume of cylinder meaning is that the capacity of the cylinder, how much amount of water is holding a cylinder, that is known as the volume of the cylinder. Meaning is that what is the capacity, what is the actual capacity of the cylinder, that is known as the volume of the cylinder. So what is the volume of the cylinder, that how we will find out. H is the height of the cylinder and r is the radius of the cylinder. So volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square multiplied by h, or that can be written as volume is equals to base area multiplied by the height. If base area is multiplying with the height, then we will get the volume of the cylinder. Understand? So what is the volume of the cylinder? Volume of the cylinder is pi r square s, over in another form base area multiplied by the height. Next we will discuss hollow cylinder. So what is the total volume of the hollow cylinder, that how we will find out. So next is hollow cylinder. In hollow cylinder, internal radius is also present, external radius is also present, meaning is that there some width are present. Then how we will find out the volume? That becomes a hollow cylinder. For that hollow cylinder, that R1 is the internal radius and R2 is the external radius, that is R2 is the external, and that is the width W. So what is the relationship between them? We know that width is equals to external radius minus internal radius, that I already told you. Now how we will find out the volume of the hollow cylinder? So firstly, if not given that is the hollow cylinder, that how you will identify that the question, that given question is based on hollow cylinder or not. So if in cylinder their internal radius is given and their external radius is given, cylinder में आपको internal radius given है, external radius given है, that means the given cylinder behaves like a hollow cylinder. So volume of hollow cylinder, we calculate volume of outer cylinder pi r2 square h, and that h is the height of the cylinder, minus pi r1 square h. We will take pi h common, then r2 square minus r1 square over pi h r2 minus r1 and r2 plus r1, which will come either in meter cube or centimeter cube, and that volume also either will come in meter cube or centimeter. So that is the volume of the hollow cylinder. Understand? So how we will find out the student volume of the hollow cylinder? Volume of outer cylinder or volume of bigger cylinder minus volume of smaller cylinder, which will gives us the volume of the hollow cylinder. Understand? So what is the volume of the cylinder? Right circular cylinder is pi r square h, and what is the volume of the hollow cylinder is volume of external cylinder minus volume of internal cylinder. एक्सटर्नल सिलेंडर के वॉल्यूम में से इंटरनल सिलेंडर के वॉल्यूम को क्या करोगे आप? सेपरेट करोगे, देन वी विल गेट द वॉल्यूम. ओके, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस सम एग्जांपल्स. Example number first is, if a radius of base and height of cylinder is 1 centimeter and 7 centimeter respectively, then find the volume of such these types of 14 cylinders. So students, how we will find out the volume of these such type 14 cylinder? आपको इस टाइप के 14 cylinders का क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट. So how we will calculate volume? Here is cylinder. For that cylinder, height is given to you 7 centimeter and base radius is given to you 1 centimeter. So here r is 1 centimeter, h is the 7 centimeter. So we know what is the volume of the cylinder, which is pi r square h. V pi value 22 upon 7. R 1 into 1 into 7 cancel. So volume will come 22 centimeter cube. So that is the volume of the one cylinder. But we are calculating here volume of how many cylinders? We calculate volume of 14 cylinders. Now total volume of 14 cylinders is equals to 14 multiplied by 22, 14 to 28, 20, 14 to 28, then 33 centimeter cube. So that is the total volume of the 14 such cylinders. Understand? So firstly we will find out the volume of one cylinder. After that multiply by 14, which will gives us the total volume of the 14 cylinders. Okay. Now next type question, how we will find out? In next type question, friends, given to you that if base area of cylinder is 20 centimeter square and height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter, then find the volume of cylinder. So there is no need to find out the radius, because we already know that what is the volume of the cylinder. Cylinder का volume क्या होता है? Given to you base area is equals to pi r square is equals to values 20 centimeter square. Second is height 10 centimeter. So we know that what is the volume of the cylinder? Base area multiplied by the height, which will gives us the volume of the cylinder. So volume, what is the base area? 20 into 10, which will come 200 centimeter cube. So if in question student directly given to you base area is given to you, and second thing height is given to you, then easily we can calculate here the height of the cylinder. Understand? Now third type question. Third type question is that if volume of cylinder is 200 centimeter cube and its height is 10 centimeter. Volume is 200 centimeter cube and its height is 10 centimeter. Then find the CSA of cylinder. Volume is given, their height is given, then we will find out here the curved surface area of the cylinder. So we know what is the curved surface area of the cylinder. We know that curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r. But to calculate the curved surface area of the cylinder, we will require here the radius of the cylinder as well as the height of the cylinder. आपको cylinder की radius required है and second thing क्या required है, height. But here radius is also not given and height is also not given. So first of all, volume is given to you 200 centimeter cube, height is given to you 10 centimeter. So first of all we will find out radius. So again, what is the volume? Pi r square h. 200 is equals to pi r square into h value 10, cancel. So pi r square value is the 20. So what is the value of r square? 20 upon pi, 20 upon 22, 7 upper side, 140 upon 22. So r value under root 140 upon 22, which will come in centimeter. Now you will find out the square root using long division method. आप क्या करो, इसको डिवाइड करके उस नंबर का क्या कैलकुलेट करना है, स्क्वायर रूट कैलकुलेट करना है. आफ्टर कैलकुलेटिंग द स्क्वायर रूट वी गेट हियर रेडियस. रेडियस फाइंड आउट कर ली, हाइट यू नो, देन इजीली यू कैन फाइंड आउट द curved surface area of the cylinder. Understand? Any problem? So if volume is given to you, height or any one radius is given to you, then how we will find out the total surface area and how we will find out the curved surface area? कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? फर्स्टली आपको रिक्वायर्ड किसकी है, देखो रेडियस की रिक्वायरमेंट है, हाइट की रिक्वायरमेंट है. दिस पैरामीटर यू विल फाइंड आउट. आफ्टर दैट सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज. नेक्स्ट टाइप क्वेश्चन देखो. In next type question, a cylinder which is filled with milk having base radius and height are 1 centimeter and 7 centimeter. A cylinder a cylinder 21 having a radius is 1 centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. Now this milk we empty into small glasses having radius and height are 1 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Then find the total number of glasses that can be filled with milk. What is meaning of the question? Suppose we are having a cylindrical container. That cylindrical container is filled with milk. इस cylindrical container को क्या किससे fill किया आपने? milk से fill कर दिया. Now we are having a small glass. अब क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स? आपको ये मिल्क किसमें एम्प्टी करना है? ग्लास में एम्प्टी करना है. Then we will find out the number of glass that can be filled with milk. टोटल कितने ग्लास फिल होंगे इस मिल्क से? That we will find out here. So how we will find out here, friends? Anyone know that how we will find out the total number of the glasses? How we will find out? Let the number of glasses that can be filled with milk be n. Number of glasses that can be filled with milk be n. Now according to question, what we will do here, n multiply by the volume of milk of 1 glass is equals to volume of cylinder, right? Volume of milk which is present in 1 glass is equals to the volume of the cylinder. So for that a radius is given to you. R1 is therefore glass radius is 1 centimeter. Height H1 is 7 centimeter. For cylinder R2 1 centimeter and H2 21 centimeter. Now substitute n. What is the volume of the milk of 1 glass? So we know glass is also in the shape of cylinder. So n multiply pi R1 square H1 pi R2 square H2. Pi pi cancel, n substitute the value 1 into 1 into 7. Then here 1 into 1 into 21. What is the value of n? 21 upon 7, n value 3. So how many glasses we can fill with the milk, this milk? So we can fill 3 glasses. So we can fill 3 glasses with milk. Understand? Any problem? So how we will find out the number of glasses? 3. So that question is the meaning is that suppose you are having a container, that container is filled with any material or any liquid. उस कंटेनर में आपने क्या कर दिया? कोई भी मटेरियल फिल कर दिया या फिर कोई भी लिक्विड फिल कर दिया. Then how we will find out the number of apparents or the number of such types of small objects that can be filled with that liquid. So how we will find out? Always we divide the volume, larger volume divide by the smaller volume. आपने किसको किसमें फिल किया है? तो लार्जर वॉल्यूम को स्मॉलर वॉल्यूम से क्या करना है? आपको डिवाइड करना है. सपोज ये क्वेश्चन ये भी हो सकता था आपका, ए सिलेंडर विच इज फिल विथ मिल्क हैविंग बेस एंड हाइट आर 1 centimeter and 21 centimeter. Now this milk we empty into a cube having side. उस मिल्क को क्या किया आपने? क्यूबिकल कंटेनर में फिल कर दिया. ओके, सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ सच टाइप ऑफ क्यूब्स? सो फॉर दैट फर्स्टली वी विल फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर. देन वी डोंट नो that how many such types of cube we can fill in it, right? So क्या करोगे फिर इसमें वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर को वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब से क्या करना आपको डिवाइड करना है, देन यू विल गेट द आंसर. बट स्टूडेंट्स, one important thing is that while you are finding out the total surface area, or while you are finding out the curved surface area, or while you are finding out the volume, then firstly you will check then all the parameters are having in same dimension or not. Same dimension का meaning क्या है? Meaning is that all are in centimeter or all are in meter. So firstly you will check if these all are in not same, then firstly you have to convert in same, then after. Understand? Now next question देखो. Find the mass of the rod if length of rod is 21 centimeter and radius of a rod is 10 centimeter and the density of a rod is given to you 10 gram per centimeter cube. Find the mass. That is different question, students, and that is very important question. Find out the mass of the rod if the length of the rod is 21 centimeter and the radius of the rod is 10 centimeter and the density of the rod, meaning rod को किस material से prepare किया है और किस metal से prepare किया है. So for that metal the density is given to you 10 gram per centimeter cube. So how we will find out here the mass of the rod, students? इसका mass कैसे calculate करोगे? So we know that density is equals to mass per unit volume होता है. So from here how we will find out the mass? Mass is equals to density multiplied by the volume. So to calculate the mass of the rod, firstly we will calculate here what is the volume of that rod, and we know that rod is in the shape of cylinder. आपको वायर गिवन है या वायर के एक्सेप्ट आपको क्या गिवन है? रोड गिवन है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो इन द शेप ऑफ सिलेंडर. सपोज करिए इसी क्वेश्चन में होता द थिकनेस ऑफ द रोड इज गिवन टू यू. सो व्हाट डज मीनिंग ऑफ द थिकनेस? थिकनेस इज मीनिंग इज दैट देयर डायमीटर. थिकनेस का मीनिंग क्या होता है? देयर डायमीटर. सो मास कैलकुलेट करने के लिए पहले क्या कैलकुलेट करोगे? वॉल्यूम. सो रेडियस इज 21 and height is 21 centimeter, sorry, and radius is 10 centimeter. Now we will calculate your volume. Volume is pi r square h 22 upon 7 10 into 10 into 21 3 into 100. So volume will be 6600 centimeter cube. So what is the mass? Mass is density multiplied volume. What is the density? 10 and volume is 6600. So mass will come 66000 gram over mass 66000 divided by 1000, that is 66 kg. So mass of a rod is 66 kg. Understand? So if in question asking what is the mass of the solid, so how we will find out the student mass of the solid? Firstly we will find out their volume. and then after density is given to in question, then volume multiplied by density, which will gives us the mass of the solid. Understand? So in today lecture 11, we discuss the question based on the volume of the cylinder. Now in next lecture we will discuss the question based on the hollow cylinder. How we will find out the volume of the hollow cylinder, that we will discuss in next lecture. So friends, today lecture, after watching that lecture, you will do examples and exercise 13.6, the question which is based on only cylinder, not hollow cylinder. आपको 13.6 के एग्जाम्पल्स करने हैं और एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट करनी है, द क्वेश्चन दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन द सिलेंडर. ओके, थैंक यू.